Two major hospital construction projects are underway. One rehabilitates the Cornwall Regional Hospital and the other introduces a new hospital for children and adolescents. Both are making fast progress.
When we had just started, the base of the building was very compromised. There was a broiler here that we took out. We had to, steels were exposed, and so a lot of work went into solidifying the base, the foundation, to ensure that the building is preserved.
The steel and the concrete was very badly corroded. The contractor had to strip away all of the corrosion, expose the bases of the columns, the base of the shear walls, treat the steel, and completely re-encase it in concrete in order to stabilize the structure. So this was a significant aspect of the work, the structural repairs.
The current phase is 2B. So we had 2A, and there was a phase before. The final phase is termed phase 3. So when that frame is completed and there's confidence in it, then a final stage now is going in to put in the windows, the doors, the partitions, the offices, the AC, the electrical, the piping, and that's now the final phase before occupation. As you saw up there, there's nothing in the building. The building has been totally gutted. So everything that's going in will be new, including equipment, and that's a positive thing. We are creating some additional space. We are reorganizing where the different specialties will be to make it for easier flow of work. And even in terms of the aesthetics, when it's completed, the intention is to have the look and feel that represents a modern hospital that provides all the amenities and the features to be therapeutic even before you start getting treated. Ultimately, 90% of the financing is likely to be Chinese. The other stuff is just facilitating the grounds, the compound, that sort of thing. So it's really a Chinese project, donated project. But we put in the connectivity, water, electricity, that sort of thing, a whole retaining wall to expand the car park. That's a couple $100 million. We had done a lot of work with the designs. When the initial designs came, we sent a team to China. We sat, we worked together. It was very collaborative until we agreed and finalized on the plans. The Western Children's Hospital, which is under heavy construction, as you can see. Significant progress made over the last 2 months. We have a third floor going up to a fourth, and the front section of the building, as you can see, is all framed up. And based on the team that is here, they're expecting by the end of March to go 3 floors to the front in keeping with the design, another floor on top, and a third building where the foundation will be in place, hopefully, to put the first floor also in place. It will have everything that a hospital, a modern hospital has, including specialist service. Remember, it's a children and adolescent hospital, so it's really up to 18 years from birth, and it will have operating theaters, it will have emergency surgery, it will have 220 beds, diagnostic services, all the critical components. It's a standalone facility that's adding significant capacity to these parts, and unique capacity that doesn't exist anywhere else in the country.